Hey everyone, so this video is a DIY on a cocoa butter recipe that is simple and easy and you can whip up at home. You can get these ingredients real cheap. It doesn't have to cost you a lot, but you're able to make your own body butter. It is not greasy, it is cocoa butter based, and it does not have any fragrance in it. So this is actually the next day. You'll see it whipped up creamy, but this is how it looks. You can get a good view of it. There we go, it's just the light. So it's real creamy, but look at that, how thick that is. Real moisturizing, I'll show you. Melts right into the skin. This is great for your arms, your body. Look at that. Your face. You can put this anywhere on you, and if you have sensitive skin, this will be a great one. So let me go ahead and show you how to whip this up and how you can have your own body butter at home. See you in a moment. So let's get into the ingredients and their benefits. Here we have the cocoa butter chips. Cocoa butter is an excellent moisturizer that can help to soothe and hydrate dry, flaky, or irritated skin. It's highly concentrated in fatty acids, making it ideal to improve the skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also contains antioxidants that help to protect the skin from environmental stressors and free radical damage. I really want to use this because cocoa butter is a favorite of mine. It does help promote the skin healing while reducing the inflammation. It's a great product to use on multiple skin types. So here we have the sunflower oil, and sunflower oil contains linoleic acid, an essential fatty acid that has anti-inflammatory properties. This can help to reduce redness and inflammation in the skin. It's also rich in antioxidants. It is light and ungreasy oil, and it's easily absorbed into the skin, making it an excellent moisturizer to help soothe dry, irritated skin, and just helps leave it soft and supple. It can also help to improve and strengthen the skin's barrier function to keep moisture in and irritants out. It is also unlikely to clog pores and cause acne breakouts. Not saying it can't happen, but it's just less likely to happen with this type of oil. So next we have the Boundless Creations Infused Calendula Oil. This oil has grapeseed, olive, coconut, jojoba, and almond all in it to be infused over weeks with the calendula, sometimes even longer. We can go as high as a month at times. This is what is in that cup right there. And we use these because grapeseed oil is rich in antioxidants and can help protect the skin from environmental stressors. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E and can help hydrate and nourish the skin. Coconut oil is just an excellent moisturizer overall to soothe. And then we have the jojoba oil, which is really similar to the natural oils. So this is easily absorbed while being not greasy. And almond oil, again, is rich in vitamin E because we want to take care of that skin with hydration and not be itchy and irritated. Okay, so let's get into the making of the body butter. Here I have melted down 2.8 ounces of the chips. I did nuke it in the microwave on 30-second bursts just to get it this way. I didn't want to wait, so I microwaved instead of doing the double boiler method, which you can absolutely do the double boiler method, which would probably be better simply because you're not nuking out any of the nutrients in it. This one, I would just wanted it to be quick because I needed it now, so I'm sorry. But this was for me, myself, and I'm fine with it because I have all the other body butters as well. So here I'm just going to add the cocoa butter into this bowl, and we are going to put it into the refrigerator for a little while just to get it to harden up just a little bit so that we can go ahead and mix and we can get that nice fluffy creamy look. So this is after I've taken it out of the refrigerator. The freezer, I'm sorry. I'm just whipping it up with my hand mixer. Sorry, I didn't realize the camera was moving a lot. So you see, as you whip it up, it's going to get a little bit thicker, might be hard to manipulate a little bit more. This is when you'll start adding in your oil slowly. You can add more than the amount that I added, but I just added it in slowly until it got to the consistency that I wanted. And you can also see that I'm breaking it up a little bit just to fluff it out because I'm using the hand mixer in a plastic bowl. So I'm just fluffing the body butter off of the sides with the little spoon whenever you see me do that. I'm also going to check the consistency just to make sure it's what I want it to be while I'm scooping around the sides. So I'm just going to use a regular little plastic bag, a little quart bag, and put my body butter in there. That way I can just put it, squeeze it, pipe it right into the container that I'm using. It's nothing fancy. I mean, I'm just piping it through. It's for myself. You see how creamy it is. I realized my camera went out, so you didn't see me initially pipe, but this is me finishing up the top of the body butter. It is super creamy when I first put it in there, but once it rests overnight, it's going to firm up because of that cocoa butter. Yeah, so let us know what you thought of the video. If you tried it, how did it turn out for you? Is there anything you would change? Just hit us up and let us know.